Hello everyone and welcome with Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the most strongest powerful Wi-Fi in all history at the moment. This nylon, sure, when you buy this Asus is have this nylon, okay? I just rip it off because when I receive it in post I have to check it. Is it the router inside real or no? Because you know guys, in some third world countries and second world countries they may exchange it for you. So you have to always, when you receive it in post, you have to check it. Is it inside or no? Because we don't have guarantee here. Listen to me. If you are a gamer like me, or if you are watching videos 4K and you want to enjoy watching without lagging, without delay, if you have a company and you have a lot of people that you want to give them Wi-Fi and you want a strong connection between buildings with 5,000 feet square coverage of Wi-Fi network, you need this router, okay? This is a ROG Raptor GT11000. I will tell you why they call it 11,000, because the total of megahertz it's 11,000. Anyway, this is let's talk fast about it, and I want to explain you some things. Okay, it's important things. This is powered by iMesh. You can find it in the application. You can, by the way, you can install it through your phone. No need to install it through your laptop. You can download the application in Asus, and you can install the 3 steps in your phone, if it's whether Android or Samsung. You got me? And this is gaming router. This is the latest model from Asus at the moment, okay? Because let me tell you, let me be honest with you guys. I was have the 5300, the first model of this Spider, this one. But honestly, it was have issues, you got me? And the 5G wasn't work, sometimes 2G doesn't work. I hope this one doesn't have issues. Because the first time I got frustrated and I got sad, and I didn't like it, to be honest with you. As you see here, it's 1.8 quad core processor inside this router. Do you believe that? And it's 64, okay? 1 gig RAM. It's have 1 gig RAM. A DDR3, okay? And it's Wi-Fi 6, okay? With 265 megabyte flash. I will show you now everything. Okay, let's here they show you that it's customizable. Okay, this is not, I will explain you know every time. They tell you here that we have AI protection, free time, lifetime free. You know, this is important to understand. When you open the router and when you enter the setting, you know, you have tons of option to make it. You know, you can make quick installing, and you can make it professional if you know what you are doing. You got me? Because you may play in things that router will not work with you. You got me? Listen to me. I will tell you something. Anything you find Republic of Game from Asus, this is mean the best of them. For example, if they put free Republic of Game in laptop or in case or anything or screen or router or anything, if you find this symbol, you have to know that this is the best. You understand? Like Alienware and Dell. By the way, it's have game accelerator. It's have game supporter. This is something honestly amazing. This is something cool. You guys, can you imagine that you can choose the game like Call of Duty or GTA online? You got me? To be honest with you guys, I hate to lose online. You got me? That's why I bought this router, because my this router that I have now is completely garbage. And my first Asus, I sold it out because I told you it's have issues. It's 2.5 giga gaming board. Can you imagine this? Okay, let's turn around this. Let's see 1 second. Oh, damn, it's heavy. You know, it's really heavy. Accelerate your games, game device for service. See, this is what I explain you about it. This is amazing, honestly. What the fast? I think this is for money. When I was have the first one, it was for money. It wasn't for free. 3-band, future proof. Okay, let's see. Damn, it's really heavy, you know. Open up, baby, open up. Yeah. I love these things. Some companies, they do it, like Dell Alienware. Okay, let's put it here. This is check the device software wireless adapter. Okay, information for more info. Okay, I don't need it. Here's this is what I'm talking about. What the fast? They give you free trailer for 3 days, I guess, and then you have to pay $29 every 3 months or something like this. We'll see it later. What we have here, Okay, let's put out the router first. Looks like it's... Oh my gosh, this is router or this is Alienware? Wow, I adore brand new stuff because it's still shining without my fingerprint. See guys, let me tell you. Here you have four LAN, okay? Each one is 1 giga, okay? You have 2 USB, 3.1. It's USB 3, you got me? As you see, which means it would be, for example, if you want to make update for him, for update firmware, and like this, you can, or you want to transfer files, you can do it through this USB, okay? Receive and take. Look, it's have this one. It's this is the one, okay? This is link aggregation. You know what does it mean? This is for local gaming. This is the one for local. It's 2.5 gigahertz. You understand me? This is amazing. And this is rest point, and this is power. Okay, and this is the one where you connect the adapter. It's sure it's Chinese made. Let's see. Yeah, made in China. Damn guys, it's almost white for laptop. We'll see now how much heavy. Here we have the Wi-Fi turn on and off. Here Wi-Fi password if you wanna make it with password. And here the boost. For example, I'll tell you why you need this button. For example, now you are playing with you have invite your friends, you play, or you have a lot of Wi-Fi connected to your one, and you want him to make his best performance. You will make it boost, so he will show you his best performance. He have 8 antenna, I guess 2, 4, 6, 8 antenna. Looks like spider, you got me? By the way, let's just 1 minute. Let's see what we have here inside. Okay, we have 8 antennas here. You know the antenna, the new one, she have like orange color here. The previous version I think doesn't have. Okay, and here I guess we don't have something special. I mean, as you see the adapter here, okay, it's bigger. You know the adapter is really like the for notebook. You got me? Same size. Okay, and we have it's LAN cable here. They give us LAN cable. This, by the way, this is important point. It's CAT-BAT 5. Oh, I thought it's CAT-BAT 7. 5. This is old. It should be CAT-BAT 7. Old 5. Who need it? That's all in the box. Okay, that's all in the box. Let's see his white. This is, by the way, anyone want tea? This tea with menthol is so healthy. Let's see. It's almost 1.5 kilos, but we still not put the antennas. With the antennas, oh, show me the antenna. Oh, it would be 2 kilo. With the antennas installing, it would be 2 kilo, 2 kilo 20, 2 kilo 300 gram. Listen guys, I want to tell you something. This router is not just for if you want to just to put it in your home and not use his technology. You have to use everything on him. You got me? You have to use the, by the way, it's have ventilation. This is one of the options for cooling. This LED, you can customize it, okay? 5,000 square feet. It's have every one channel can transmit data of several device at the same time without any lagging, without any delay. Receive, transfer. You can choose game from the better performance, as you see in the as they show you in the box. Listen to me. I want to tell you something, guys. If you want this router to just buy it, to put it in your home and show off with his view and like this, so this is stupidness, to be honest with you. But if you wanted to have it for really going to use it, you got me. So you have to buy it. You may ask me, should I, if I have the old the model before him, that not the GX 5300, no, the next model, and I have this, should I exchange? I tell you yes, 100%. If you see my old videos, I always tell you no need to exchange from 11 to 11 Pro Max or from, but in this one you have to change. You know why? Because they fix a lot of issues. In the, I will tell you something. Asus company is have nice option, have nice thing. When you talk with when you chat with them, also Dell, to be honest with you, Asus and Dell, when you chat with them and you tell them about issues, they send it to customers, the customer service send it to technical support, and they start to really see this is true or no. But Apple, it doesn't give a fuck about you. If you chat with them, when you find a chat with them and you tell them about issues for camera, issues for, they don't care about your opinion. They don't care about the client's opinion, if they are right or wrong. But to be honest with you, what I like in Asus, the previous model, it was have issues. And people write about it, people get mad about this option or like this, so they fix it in the newest model. If you tell me I have to change, yeah, you have to change with this latest model. They said that they fixed all issues. And I will try it and I will tell you in my next video what you think. But if, as I tell you, if you want it for gaming, for watching videos without lagging, but listen to me, you have, number one, you should have gaming laptop or gaming computer. You understand me? Don't buy this router and have sucks computer or normal notebook and you want to have different in gaming. No, the LAN board, the LAN device in your laptop, this is his maximum. It's bad kind or old kind. You should enjoy, you should have gaming laptop. You want to enjoy 4K video, you should have 4K notebook, 4K screen, 4K smart plasma. You should connect CAT-BAT 7. Don't connect CAT-BAT if you want to take direct. Don't buy CAT-BAT 7. A nice quality, don't buy cheap. This is the problem, is if you want to enjoy every inch of your life, of the games. You don't want to see any lagging. You don't want to see any delay in the video downloading, uploading. You want to see fast downloading game from internet or something, or 4K video. You have to buy CAT-BAT 7. You have to buy this. You have to buy gaming laptop or computer. If you want to connect it to smart screen, should be 4K as much as the router. You understand me? This is all I can tell you at the moment, and this is all I can explain you about it. I'm gonna connect it. I'm gonna do for you another video, show you about how, but it looks really sexy and beautiful, and I think this one is the best from all the X routers. And guys, thanks for watching, and peace, and hope all of you stay safe at home with this coronavirus and this big story that doesn't want to finish, created story from the end. And wish you all safe, and wish you all love, and wish you all a lot of money, because now we are almost people out of work and a lot of people need money. So wish you all money and peace and love for everyone. And don't forget to subscribe, put thumbs up or put thumbs down as you wish, or put thumbs like one like this, one like this, you know. Bye guys, love you all.